history of the sanctuary. It started in 2007, and it was started by a woman named Jane and Jada. And then she passed it on to her sons, Kurt Scarberry. And that was around 2009. And he started out in Queen Creek. It actually started in Mesa, moved from Mesa to Queen Creek, from Queen Creek to Tempe, okay? And we've been doing this for almost a decade now. An average day for a bird is interacting with people that come into the rescue. We start them off with food and water, obviously, changing their food and water. And then some days they're having the extra of people going in there and changing paper as well.